Hi guys, a very good morning and welcome to a new video of the Trading Academy. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining how to trade the euro and how I took a perfect trade this week, which will hopefully help you guys in trading the euro from here onwards. So with that said, let's dive straight in and enjoy. So first of all guys, what you always want to do is identify areas of consolidation within the market, because once you've identified an area of consolidation within the market, what you can then do is look for the breakout, and from there onwards you will see that a trend has started. So once this trend reaches the next area of consolidation, we can then expect a new trend to occur back in towards the downside, back towards that old area of consolidation, which is most likely going to be an area of demand within the market. Showing this example on my screen, what we have over here is a beautiful area of consolidation. So over here we have an area of consolidation. After that we see the breakout in towards the highs with the high, the higher low, the high, the higher low, the high. And then what we can do is that we can count these waves up in towards the highs, or you can draw in a beautiful wedge over here and then anticipate on the potential pullback back down towards the downside. So two confluences for a pullback back towards the downside. We have an area of consolidation like I just explained, and we have an ascending wedge diving in towards that area of consolidation, which is an area of supply within the market. So furthermore, for the people who use Elliott wave, what you can then also see is that this is the start of the wave, so that we then have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and then the correction back down in towards the lows. So at the moment I was looking for a beautiful short on this pair. So if you dive in towards the lower time frame, what you'll then see, and let's have a look at the 4 hour first of all, what you can then very clearly see is that you have a massive push in towards the highs. After that we have a beautiful ascending wedge with the 1, the 2, the 3, then the impulse back down comes, and then what we can do is dive in towards the lower time frame and anticipate on a potential trade after that third trendline touch of the upper trendline of the wedge. So what I'd then like to do is draw in this beautiful trendline over here, and what you'll then see on the lower time frame is that we had a trend break, because this is your new low over here, which broke this ascending trendline. So what we then know is that this is going to be your entire impulse in towards lows. And then what we also know, and remember once again the key concept, consolidation, impulse, and then the market will likely come back. Doesn't need to happen in a trend straight away, but it can, of course, comes back in towards this area of consolidation, then pops back out again. So looking at this example on this specific chart, we can see over here is once again we move out of this area of consolidation, move back in, then move back out again. So like I said, we move in a trend back in towards the area of consolidation. On the 1 hour, this seems more like an impulse, but if you dive in towards the 15-minute, what you can then see is that this is a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and then boom, correction. And this can also be seen like this, like a channel. So with that in mind, what we then saw was the drop from that area of supply within the market, from my consolidation area, whatever you want to call it. Just missed out on the 618, but then in this situation you have to understand that you can take an entry early, set your stops above the area of consolidation for instance, and then just target the lows for, let's say, a beautiful 1 to 4 trade. So yeah, that is euro Australian dollar, to be honest, and a beautiful euro trade for you guys, which I think is very valuable to have, and I hope that this can contribute to your overall trading strategy, trading style, and just make it a little bit more clear on how to trade the euro. So if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to join the free Discord. Link is in the description down below. Furthermore, if you have any specific questions, also feel free to send me a DM on Discord. So with that said, I wish you all an amazing weekend, and I can't wait to see you all back on Monday with a new daily market outlook. Thanks guys.